This I have been waiting for. Now, there are lots of trailers that come. They're nice, you know. Then there are lots of actors that come. I really like them, so I don't really care about the film. Then sometimes it comes together जब दोनों perfect हो जाते हैं. Because if there's, how should I say this? If there's a breakout role for actors, I see it over here, at least for the two of you. And Daljit Paji, thank you so much for joining me on the show. जब से B4U कर रहा हूँ मैं, तब से इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट आते रहते थे for you. दुनिया भर में तो of course half of the world is your fan, but over here एक बार भी मौका नहीं मिलता B4U पर आपको लाने के लिए. So I am very very thankful that you actually done a Hindi film so that we can actually do something.
Thank you, sir.
And Shahid Paji,
Paji.
it is a rocking experience.
Thank you.
And you have surprised the world. So before I do anything, why are you so calm, man? I know it's been 17 hours of non-stop shoots. But Tommy is very dormant today. He's not had his food.
Dude, if people are expecting me to be Tommy during the promotions, it ain't gonna happen. Go watch the movie on the 17th of June. That's the only place where Tommy survives.
But you have done an unbelievable job. So I say a Kamini. You know, I say a Heather is there also, but there's a breakout there. But this is an out-and-out madness that is there. I know it would have taken 7.5 milliseconds for you to say yes to this role. Tell me that.
Literally that amount of time after hearing the script, yeah.
And Abhishek Chaubey is a very interesting guy. Did he narrate anything to you, or did he just say
No, this was the narration. He had a bound script, and actually he had a film which he wanted to make with newcomers, and he had gone to Phantom Films with it, and they felt that it would be nice if a film which had a message that was so good and so positive and so strong had some mainstream stars, because that would allow it to be seen by a wider audience.
Yeah.
And he thought nobody wanted to do it, you know. And
yeah, your role's risky, right? Even hers is, but
I think the zone of the film and the fact that you're playing a substance addict, I think that's something that mainstream actors have in India have usually stayed away from.
और आप तो चॉकलेट बॉय हैं, मतलब चॉकलेट बॉय के साथ ऐसे ड्रग्स की बातें करें तो आपके आधे फैंस बोलेंगे नो दिस फिल्म इज रॉन्ग, शाहिद कांट डू दिस काइंड ऑफ रोल.
So sweet.
दिस इज लाइक कबीर विद ला कहना, यू नो व्हेन शाहरुख खान डिड दैट, नहीं शाहरुख तो ऐसे कर ही नहीं सकता, हम पिक्चर देखेंगे ही नहीं. दिस एक्चुअली हैपेंड.
Now you're scaring me, man.
No, I'm just
I
saying.
thought actually I was exciting the audience and something new and all, and
नहीं, but of course आपको प्रदर्शन करने का मौका मिल रहा है. Your wares.
So when he came to me, he was a little skeptical, and honestly he just opened the thing and started reading it, and after 2 hours I felt that here is a guy who's a very talented filmmaker, who is wanting to just tell a story that is very close to his heart, and he just wants to honestly put it out there, and he's been able to write it as a movie, because usually things like this can become like a documentary.
Correct.
Or they can become a bit too informative and a bit like a lecture.
Correct.
You know, which nobody is interested in. But it was a movie. It was a fictional film about 4 fictional characters, all tremendously different from each other, all amazing parts for anybody who would do them. And it was different and original. And Tommy Singh was insane. I was like, how did you think of this guy? And he was like jumping out and punching me.
And Abhishek is not that kind of a person.
Not at all.
What a sweet sa.
Not at all. But you know, the fact that he wrote Tommy Singh was reflective of the fact that he wanted to entertain people.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the film would be all serious characters and all that. But he knew that if I want this film to reach out to a large number of people, I have to entertain people. And Tommy Singh is the exhibitionist in the film.
He could have gone quite over, na? But he hasn't. At least not in the trailer.
I think I'm very over.
No, I think it's in character. What do you say when you're looking at him now? You're veterans with each other. एक साथ एक से ज़्यादा फिल्म करनी है तो काफी समय बिता लिया है. So when you see him, did you think that he'd be able to pull this off?
No, of course. I have great faith and respect for him as an actor, and I've always said that. And in fact, I was really pleasantly, I was really happy that he took up a part like this, because most people, as we said, would be very apprehensive कि नहीं मेरा image कैसे होगा. And Tommy is probably the most whacked out in the film.
Yeah.
Like you look at him and like ये क्यों कर रहा है? Why is he doing this? He almost is like you want to just like go and jump into the screen and save the guy yourself. And I think that's the mark of such a lovely actor who can actually make you feel like you want to take care of him also. You want him to like, okay, I can't help you, that kind of a thing. And it was very difficult on the script level. Only that character was a very difficult character to play. And coming from Shahid, who has no experience of any kind of nasha in general, because he's never had a sip of alcohol, he has no idea what
He's
it's
vegetarian
like.
also.
Vegetarian also.
Which I don't know how he does it, but yeah, have you become vegan as well?
No.
Ah, thank God. Chalo, sirf abhi vegetarian.
I don't think I'll be able to survive without milk and paneer and things like that.
So it must have been very, very difficult, but I haven't said congratulations to the finest film of 2016. Kapoor and Sons.
Oh,
I was, can I just tell you, I don't know whether I was feeling so heavy in the film. I loved it. What a film. I have to say, Fawad was mind-boggling in the film.
Yeah.
You played it picture perfect. The whole film. It was like as if कि ये आई but passively हमें enclose कर लिया. It became a part of everyone's life. It's one of the finest films that I've seen in a long time, completely. So
Yeah.
when you saw the end, I mean, I never expected this kind of film also. And did you expect that kind of response?
no, Avi, I'm very, very happy with this response. But I loved the film when I read the script, which is the only reason I did it. And I'm so happy that it's gotten the love. And you've not seen it. I can
I was
feel
going
it
to
in
ask
your
you.
body.
You've not seen the film.
I can feel in
सुजीत
your
पाजी,
body that you've
नमस्कार.
not seen it.
एक तो आप इतने ज़्यादा रिलैक्स्ड हो गए मुझे लगता है कि मुझे आपको यहाँ बिठाना चाहिए था बट अभी ये बिग बैड वर्ल्ड ऑफ बॉलीवुड में आप आ गए हैं यू हैव मेड बिलियंस ऑफ करोड्स फॉर ऑल योर प्रोड्यूसर्स वहाँ पे पंजाबी सिनेमा में बट यहाँ पे क्या होता है शाहिद ने भी फेस किया है ये एक फ्राइडे अगर थोड़ी खराब हो जाती है इसको तो आता ही नहीं है करना ही नहीं चाहिए ये फिल्म उसके बाद अब ये कर लिए पिक्चर सो यहाँ पे ऑडियंस बहुत जजमेंटल होगी सो Are you ready for that also? हालांकि they've liked you a lot in the trailer also and you have a massive fan following which will book theatres for 3 weeks, I know for sure. But otherwise, are you a little bit scared about Bollywood at all?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं मैं सोच भी नहीं रहा मैं सिर्फ अपने फैंस की सोच रहा हूँ जो मेरे फैंस हैं पंजाब के
जी।
वो देख लें और उनको अच्छी लगे दैट्स इट इतना ही
आप पे डिपेंड है
हाँ, पूरी तरह से.
मेरा इतना ही गोल है बस
पंजाब इन कनाडा में भी, अमेरिका
3
में
हफ्ते
भी.
का
सर
रोल
अगर
है
आपके लोगों ने देख लिया तो 200 पक्का है सर 100 आपका हो जाएगा 100 इनका हो जाएगा सेट हो गया मामला बट स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पर आपका सबसे नॉर्मल सेन कैरेक्टर लग रहा है जो एकदम गबरू जवान That is the perfect. जब भी मैं चंडीगढ़ भी आता हूँ ना, I get very scared of the cops over there because there it is actually the cleanest, strongest city. And I remember a long time back when a lot of my friends used to smoke. It was the only city in India where if you were smoking in public, you were scared because the cops would come and whack you first and then say तेरा uncle, auntie, papa जो भी है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता पहले तो अंदर चल. I don't see that kind of strength anywhere else in the country. And you brought that across in that character also. तो immediately yes हो गया था ये काफी कन्विंस हुआ
नहीं मेरे हैं फ्रेंड्स हैं काफ़ी मेरे अपने दोस्त भी हैं जो पुलिस में हैं
ना स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पर ये पिक्चर के लिए इमीडिएटली कन्विंस हो गए थे आप
हाँ तो मैंने जब सुना तो एकदम से मैं तो कनेक्ट हो गया था मैंने उनको पहले मेरी गलती थी मैंने आके सीधे बोला क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी 1-2 पिक्चरें मुझे ऑफर हुई तो वो ज़्यादा गाने के लिए थी 1-2 गाने के लिए और 1-2 सीन थे मेरे तो मैं कहा अगर पिक्चर मेरा रोल अच्छा होगा तो मैं करूँगा लेकिन वो रोल इतना अच्छा होने वाला ये मुझे पता नहीं था तो सेकंड डे जब अभिषेक सर ने मुझे सुनाया तो फिर मैं सोचा था यार मैं ये डिज़र्व नहीं करता जो इन लोगों ने सोचा है तो अभी अच्छा
बट
करना पड़ेगा
मैं एक्चुअली शॉक्ड हो गया कि आपकी जैसी जो नॉर्मल फिल्म होती है जैसे जट एंड जूलियट एंड सिद्धार्थ जी एंड ऑल इट्स लार्जर देन लाइफ यू आर लाइक दिस बिग सुपरस्टार एंड दैट इज द वे इट इज सो आई वुड हैव थॉट कि आप वैसे टाइप की एंट्री मारते हैं यहाँ पे
नहीं मुझे लगता है इससे अच्छी एंट्री नहीं हो सकती अब आ जाए पिक्चर फिर देखते हैं
नहीं दैट आई एम कंप्लीटली श्योर ऑफ दैट डिड यू लूज ट्रैक इन बिटवीन ऑफ योर ओन कैरेक्टर वर यू worried कि in the middle of the film कहीं
Before we started only, I was worried because I was like, I've never tried anything. I'm going to pull off being a cocaine addict, and not just an addict, but he's somebody who chases the drug. He needs to feel the high constantly, which is the worst type. But then once you start researching and then the physicality of Tommy started getting developed of how do we make him somebody who is a superstar, so he must be visibly extremely attractive, but he's also an addict, so he must look completely depleted and messed up. So to find that combination and not make it like somebody we've seen or this guy or that guy and make him original was a very interesting journey. I mean, all 14 of the tattoos that I have, they all have a story to tell,
wow
except one. Because we were so tired after 13, we were like, yeah, ये अच्छा यार ये लगा दो 14th.
but real life में do you have one
Do I have a tattoo? No, I don't.
you're scared of inking
I'm one
yourself?
of those, yeah, I have long-term commitment issues with putting a tattoo on my body.
Nice one.
For a film like this, when you're out there talking about this film, I remember during Shandar, you said you were worried about Udta Punjab for your character that you had attempted. Were you unsure about saying yes to that role?
No, I was not worried. I think I'm just, I was just apprehensive to see how, whether the vibe and the character that I'm portraying would be accepted at all.
But you did Highway, which was again such a...
Yeah, but Highway was still close, little bit close
I
to a
think the
Delhi girl.
physicality of the character was-
and especially the way she's speaking, it's difficult. It could be a bit jarring to see me do that because you see
You're Barbie
me
doll.
a certain see me a certain way. So I was just apprehensive. I was also excited, but I was a little apprehensive. Now I'm okay.
So, tell me something. A lot of people actually do plan like that. I've got these 3 lovely ones that will make sure that there's good money. 2 there's fantastic, which are really family entertainers. 1 or 2 that I really like doing. And 1 crazy film that I'm going to attempt in the year. Is that how your roster is? Are you planning it out like that once in a while? Have you started planning finally?
Not the way you are saying it, but yeah, subconsciously I am planning in a way. I am choosing as differently as possible. But I'm also getting those opportunities.
Of course, because I hear one line which you said, which I'm actually surprised about. You're worried about being the next big thing. You know?
I didn't say I'm worried. I said I try not to think
But
about
you-
being the next
But
big
you
thing.
are. You're not the next big thing. You already have become the big thing.
But if the minute I think about it, then it'll come in my way of making my decisions, or I'll just be too conscious about it, and then that'll show in my demeanor, and who wants that?
Do you ever give her advice now that...
Of course.
Because you're Babaji,
He's
I know.
always giving me advice.
You must eat this and you must work out 17 times a day. You're a perfectionist, we all know that. But do you give a lot of advice to Alia?
You decided who I am, and you're saying it with so much confidence that I don't have the confidence to tell you maybe that's not who I am.
एक decade से आपसे मिल रहे हैं. धीरे-धीरे आपका character ज़्यादा change नहीं हुआ है, which is great. But do you give a lot of advice to Alia?
When she seeks it, I guess.
Do you seek it often?
Whenever we're together, there's some exchange of advice always.
I think she's got it all sorted. What do I need to advise her about?
She's had a great dream around the box.
Actually, sometimes you could drop me some advice, you know?
What films to choose? No.
I don't know, just advice.
No,
like
but we
she's-
do that. We have that thing where even if we talk after
We actually
like
do
months,
ask each other about
Yeah.
most things, yeah.
दिलजीत कमिंग ऑन द सेट फर्स्ट डे कैसा था किसके साथ आप पहले मिले थे जब आप सेट पर आए थे ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन स्टार्टिंग में शायद नहीं हुआ होगा करीना के साथ ज़्यादा रहा होगा बट फर्स्ट डे जब आप सेट पर आए थे डिड यू कैच अप एट ऑल आलिया के साथ या शाहिद के साथ
फर्स्ट डे करीना जी के साथ था हाँ जी।
और फिर इनके साथ मुलाकात कब हुई थी
फिर हाँ जी फिर शाहिद सर के साथ मुलाकात हुई थी
you're calling him Shahid sir. I love this. Now, Diljit Dosanjh for you. Now tell me, you walk in there, you've heard about a person also. He's making his debut into Bollywood also. But he's had like this career that is already written about quite a bit. So, what did you think?
Honestly, I got to know about Diljit once. Abhishek told me about wanting to cast him in the film, and then I realized that he's very, very popular and people love him a lot. But honestly, when we met on set, we were doing a very important scene. There's a shot of that in the promo, which is a scene of me in jail and he's playing a cop. And I don't think I met him as Diljit, and I don't think he met me as Shahid. We met as Sartaj and Tommy, and that was the kind of film that we were making. And probably this is the first time we're interacting as Shahid
Really?
and Diljit. Because we only had 2 days of work in the film together. And the kind of locations that we were shooting at, and the kind of hours we were shooting, and the kind of scenes that we had, it was all very, very overbearing and very overwhelming. And so yeah, I never felt like, अच्छा ये पंजाब के स्टार है, मैं बॉम्बे से आया हूँ. It was none of that. He came in, we read the scene, we did the scene. He was occupied with staying in the zone. I was occupied,
'cause obviously, yeah, you were in a
very,
very
very
different
badly
zone.
occupied with
Yeah.
trying to deal with what happens when an addict is going through withdrawals because obviously he's in jail and he's not got his stuff, and that's just how it was.
आप वैसे बॉलीवुड फिल्में रेगुलरली देख पाते हैं
हाँ जी मैं देखता हूँ
तो व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ सिनेमा दैट यू लाइक मतलब इज देयर सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ मूवीज जो आप देखना चाहते हैं जो हर फ्राइडे वाले आप हैं या फिर सैटरडे संडे देख लिया लोगों ने क्या बोला उसके बाद मंडे को जाके पिक्चर देख ली
नहीं जो पिक्चर मुझे प्रोमो अच्छा लगता है वो मैं देखता हूँ कोई किसी को अच्छी लगे चाहे ना लगे
पहले आपने उड़ता पंजाब का जब प्रोमो देखा आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स ने क्या बोला
मैंने पूछा ही नहीं अभी तक किसी को कि उन्होंने मेरे घर में जैसे डैड मैंने उनसे कभी नहीं पूछा कि आपने मेरी कोई पिक्चर देखी अभी तक कि नहीं
अच्छा।
और मॉम
बट सीक्रेटली तो देखते होंगे वो
देखते ही होंगे
अखबार पढ़ते होंगे वो
हाँ मॉम मेरे पिक्चर्स नहीं देखते हैं तो उन्होंने कोई भी पिक्चर नहीं देखी है मेरी तो
अच्छा और इसकी वजह
वो कभी थिएटर नहीं गए
उनके बेटे इतने बड़े स्टार हो कभी थिएटर नहीं गए
हाँ मैंने भी बहुत लेट पिक्चर देखी तो हमारे ऐसे था कि थिएटर नहीं जाना बेटा थिएटर नहीं देखना वो जो खराब बच्चे हैं वो देखते हैं कुछ ऐसा था
अच्छा अच्छा तो वहमी है थोड़े से
एक ऐसी ये बात सुनी थी मैंने फिर मैं जब स्कूल गया 8वीं में तब मैंने 10वीं में तब मैंने पिक्चर देखी
वाओ
तो वो पिक्चर मेरा भाई देखता है वो सारी पिक्चर देखता है
और उन्होंने क्या बोला अगर अच्छा उन्होंने भी आपको अभी तक फीडबैक नहीं दिया उड़ता पंजाब के प्रोमो
नहीं उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा हाँ जब मैंने उसको बोला था कि थोड़ी ऐसी पिक्चर है वैसी पिक्चर है बोला ये तो हमारी पिक्चर है यूथ की पिक्चर है
Actually, I think this is a very important topic. You know, I know a lot of my friends who are Punjabis have said that this culture has been prevailing for years and years in Punjab, and it's become a really big problem.
Yeah,
because
but I just want to, sorry, I'm cutting in, but I want to comment on this, and I want to say that, we should not keep saying it exists only in Punjab.
all over actually, yeah, that's true.
It exists
Yeah.
all over the world, and it exists for the generation that is today and the generation that will be tomorrow, and it's growing. And I didn't know about this problem till I didn't hear the script of Udta Punjab, and the director had done over a year of research to find out about it. And I became aware of it because
You were
the
doing the film.
script came to me, and probably people will become aware of it because a film like Udta Punjab will release and they will understand, oh, does this problem exist? And if there's a problem that's in your neighborhood, it'll be yours before you know it tomorrow. So this is a problem that...
It's like Goa. You know, for a long time, people didn't know about it, but they
otherwise-
got to know about it, they cleaned it out.
I mean, man, have you been to a party where you've seen everybody sober and not doing anything?
Yeah, that's
Come on, we've all been to
yeah,
parties,
yeah.
so there's stuff happening everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
And let's be honest about it, right? But the backdrop of this film is Punjab, because that issue exists in Punjab today, and it's at a point where somebody wants to make a movie about it. It probably exists in 100 more pockets that we're not even aware of. How do you know that it's not there in other parts of the country?
We talk about
it's
Punjab,
an issue.
yeah.
It should be spoken about.
No, I completely agree, and I think the current generation can actually understand it and actually absorb it to understand.
They're the one who have to live it, right?
Yeah. And also be mature about it, that it's not just in one particular pocket, it's all over the country. How is married life, buddy? And now new additions to the family coming in. Everyone wants to know who teaches
Addition.
you... Addition. Oh, for now, okay. Addition for now. We'll figure out a few years later, I'll still be on the same chair. Somebody sent me a Twitter message saying, who has taught Shahid to take selfies?
Is there a school?
I don't know.
I wasn't aware
she
of
takes
one, yeah.
brilliant selfies. Are you good with selfies?
She really
I
is.
didn't teach him.
No.
He's good, I think, himself. He's good with like taking photos, so he knows.
And documenting his life. So now, how has life changed? Is it all secondary? Your wants are secondary, and now third actually.
Yeah.
Number 3 position.
I don't have the right to have wants anymore, basically.
Are there going to be any films that you want to hide? No, no.
Any what?
Any films that you want to hide 15 years from now?
I don't think it's possible to hide what you've done in front of the camera. I think that comes with the job. So I guess I'll just bare my soul to my family and say, yes, this is who I am, accept me for this type situation.
if they're critical of it, you'll say, doesn't matter, I'll show you a film that I really like. So
Yeah.
if you go back in 10 years, what is your defining film that you would say? Was it Kamine? That really changed
I
people's
think
opinion?
the most defining film of my career was the first film of my career because I got a break. I did over 100 auditions. We're in a very different time today. It's damn easy to be seen, whether it's through social media or it's through the amount of filmmakers and producers that exist. That was a time where it was difficult even to be seen, to stand up and say, listen, hey, I think I'm good, like just give me an opportunity. So for me, my most defining film was my first film. After that, it's a journey, but I would never be here if that lucky break for me didn't happen. It was just pure damn luck. There was no logic to it. It just
When
happened.
you saw Shahid in Ishq Vishk at that point of time, can you imagine that time and now? Were you wanted to do cinema at that time and saying
Of
that?
course, I had the biggest crush.
Really?
On Shahid. Yeah, I was like, oh, he's so cute, like any other
Yeah,
girl.
every girl,
And
yeah.
it was like because it was like somebody new, and that was like such a big
And who
thing.
danced so well.
And who danced so well, and who had like dimples, and who was also the
Do you
good
still have
boy.
dimples? It's gone, is it?
I have no clue, man.
Okay. and he had this longish hair at that point of time, but lots has changed since then in your own career as well. Now, do you look back at your body of work? You have a body of work now. Do you sometimes regret some decisions?
Barely a body of work. No,
Why?
I don't regret any decision.
Yeah.
No regrets at all.
But inclination towards what kind of cinema now? More friends. You're doing lots of films with similar actors, with Siddharth and with Varun, and lots of repeats.
Not really. I'm just doing a film right now again with Varun. There's no other film that
There'll be 3. That's already 3 done with him. But is it only because of the pairings are working so well, or do you?
I think I'm not looking at the pairing as much as I'm looking at the script and the role and the movie. And then I'm doing it. Of course, it's up to the director who they're casting. And if a pairing is working and the casting is working for that particular film, then why not?
Who said the best comment about Udta Punjab's promo so far for you?
I think recently, actually, it was not a comment, but my grandmother, she's German. She doesn't watch Bollywood films. She's 87 years old. But she's she's a very frequent television watcher. So she watches a lot of TV. But she saw that poster cut out of my picture of Udta that came out. And she started crying when she saw it.
Why?
Because she just saw me in a different way and she kind of empathized with my look.
character as well.
And my mother told me about this. I've not spoken to her about it recently because we keep missing each other's calls. But I think that for me was a big moment because she has no connect to Bollywood films. She says sees it through our eyes.
दलजीत पाजी अभी रहने के लिए आए हो या फिर ये एक करके फिर भाग जाओगे वापस?
नहीं हाँ एक करके चला जाऊँगा जी।
एक करके चले जाओगे आप?
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स बिकमिंग मोर ग्लोबल. अभी मराठी सिनेमा, रीजनल सिनेमा इज डूइंग सो वेल इन मुंबई एंड महाराष्ट्र. इट्स
Yeah.
कैचिंग ऑन. You know, I have a feeling that there's a large market that is growing.
Yes.
तो वहाँ पे lots of your films, I'm sure a large audience here will also want to see. यहाँ पे distribution करने की बात चल रही है ज़्यादा कि नहीं?
अभी हाँ हमें सिनेमाज इतने नहीं मिलते हैं, स्क्रीन्स नहीं मिलती हैं, पंजाबी फिल्म को थोड़ा टफ है, लेकिन शायद धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा ठीक. आगे से अभी लगने लगी है पिक्चर, पहले तो लगती नहीं थी, तो अभी लगती है. जैसे 2 हफ्ते लग गई तो, लेकिन नंबर ऑफ स्क्रीन्स नहीं होती उतनी ज़्यादा और शोज़ भी नहीं होते, लेकिन आई होप के हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे.
I think regional cinema is going to get its moment in the sun rather. Thank you so much guys for joining me.
Thank you.
And like I said, there will be Urta Punjab that the world will come to watch the first day. There's going to be so much different as far as the kind of characters that they're playing. And I know that once they walk out, we have a few awards that we're going to be seeing here. Till the next time guys, take care and bye-bye.